generation so that they know that no matter what your background is, who you are, that you're going to be welcome and accepted in our community. You know, there's a lot of potholes. There's a lot of buildings that are crumbling, a lot of infrastructure that really needs, that are in dire need of those dollars. And so as a city, we need to be focused on those issues.
The Monterey County Republican Party says the project is a misuse of public space and dollars for what they call purely ideological